In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare and print your artwork in Inkscape. Whether you're creating stickers, posters, documents, or vector graphics that need to come out perfectly on paper, understanding the correct print setup in Inkscape can save you a lot of frustration. I'll walk you through how to prepare your canvas, how to print directly, and also how to export your design for the best possible print quality. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's make sure your artwork is properly positioned on the page. In Inkscape, select the selection tool by pressing the S key on your keyboard. Once the tool is active, click on your artwork and check that everything you want printed is sitting completely inside the page border. The page border represents the physical paper area that will actually print. If any shapes, text, or graphics extend outside this boundary, those parts will not appear on your printed result. So take a moment to move or resize elements so they fit fully within the page. This small step prevents a lot of common printing issues. Next, we want to make sure the canvas size matches the paper you plan to print on. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D on your keyboard. This opens the Document Properties panel. Inside this panel, you can adjust the width and height of your document to match your paper size, such as A4, letter, or any custom dimensions you need. You can also set the orientation of the page here. Choose Portrait if your page is taller than it is wide, or Landscape if your layout is wider than it is tall. Once your document properties match your actual paper, your layout will print much more accurately. Now let's look at printing directly from your system. If you're opening your file through a browser or a viewer that supports printing, simply press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. This opens the print dialog. From here, choose your printer from the list of available devices. Before printing, it's important to open the printer properties or system settings and confirm that the orientation matches your document. For example, if your Inkscape document is landscape but the printer is set to portrait, your output may rotate or scale incorrectly. Once everything matches, you can go ahead and print. However, if you want maximum control and the highest possible quality for professional printing, exporting your artwork is usually the better option. In Inkscape, you can open the export panel by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus E. Inside the export window, you'll see several options for choosing the export area. Selection will export only the objects you currently have highlighted with your mouse. Page will export everything inside the document border, which is the most common choice for printing. Document will export every object on the canvas, including elements that might sit outside the page boundary. After choosing your export area, look for the DPI setting, which stands for dots per inch. For high-resolution printing, you should typically set this value to 300 dpi. This ensures the exported image has enough detail for professional quality prints. Then choose your preferred file format such as PNG or TIFF and click Export to generate the file. Finally, if the format you need is not available in the export panel, there's another option. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open the Save As menu. From the drop-down list, you can select additional file types such as DXF or EPS, which are often used for printing, manufacturing, or compatibility with other design software. And that's how to properly prepare and print your artwork in Inkscape, from setting up your page to exporting high-quality print files. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.